Yeah, man. That me I talk about, you know. Yes, when you're there, in your yard, you just find some other things to do, constructive things to do around your yard. So at the end of the day, it will be profitable. So right now, yeah, fresh vegetables from out of the garden. You know what I mean? So right now, a lot of people have a lot of things to say about Corona, but Corona bring me back to the days when me used to go up ground with my father, you know, and do farming. So that teaching also we can do some catch crop around the yard and exactly what we have been doing, you know. See, simple and creative. Yeah, I check out the water buck, the water pump. I don't know, nah, man. Hey, yo, the water pump bad. You see that? So listen now, it's not hard. You just have to be willing and make up your mind. Say this I go deal with. Anything you want to be done, it can be done. You know what I mean? With determination. Yeah.